It's recording, hopefully.
If I get sick, I'm blaming it.
Alright, cool. Okay, so thank you for coming. This is really appreciate it. At any time you guys don't want to ask any questions, you don't have to. Completely voluntary. You guys have any questions about the experiment? We'll have like a little time at the end for us to answer the questions you might have about it. And we're going to start off today with some tasting. Since my associate comes back, we're going to have you guys try out all these different types of yogurt and tell us what you think. Okay? Can everybody say their name once?
Alyssa.
Daniel.
Kayla. Jenny. Caitlin.
Ivan. Scott.
Beautiful.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Ashok Shastri. I'm a student here at California State University of East Bay, conducting this experiment for my consumer behavior class. This is my associate, Sina. Yes, great. So we're going to go ahead and taste the first one towards your left side. There. Let's do a little try. Alright, we're going to start off on this side right here. Can you tell us just generally what you thought of that?
Reminded me of the animals snack packs.
Okay.
Pretty good. It tastes like this, like standard type.
Alright.
That's alright. I'm more of a fan of Greek yogurt, so it didn't taste too Greek.
Yeah, it's not very Greeky.
Yeah, I kind of thought it tasted like the Danimals too.
Alright, like how would you describe the Danimals taste?
Processed.
Processed, okay.
Sugary.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sweet.
Alright,
I was gonna say that too, like it's very sugary and sweet. Tastes strawberry.
okay. Alright,
I love it.
you liked it?
Yeah,
You
definitely
like the
tastes
sweetness of it?
strawberry. Yeah.
Cool. Let's go ahead and taste the middle one. And we're going to start on this side this time.
Definitely lighter, like a meal plate kind of way.
Okay. After it, is that a good thing? Bad thing? It's a good thing. Okay.
Yeah, definitely it was a little bit lighter. You could taste that it was like less sugary, and then it also had like the real fruit chunks in it.
Okay.
I like this one better. It's a little less sweet.
A little less sweet.
Really too. Yeah, it tastes less artificial.
Less artificial.
Same thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Like less artificial. I get that taste like you have some food that tastes like that no sugars, tastes like sugar-free stuff.
Okay. Alright, let's move on to the third one. And alright, we're going to start off this side.
I want to say it tastes like the first one, but just creamier.
Okay.
I kind of got like the mixture between both.
The mixture between both.
Yeah, it wasn't too much, like it wasn't too sweet, but it wasn't like not sweet.
Yeah. Okay.
Kind of tastes like medicine to me.
Alright. Can you describe the medicine taste?
Like the medicine that you would take if you had like an ear infection or something.
Alright, I'll give it all a try.
I don't know. Yeah, I thought it tasted like more creaminess from it, and it kind of tasted like strawberry banana to me, and I don't like bananas, so I didn't like the aftertaste.
Okay.
It tasted very bland to me.
Okay.
Just bland.
Just bland?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, it tastes like they were both not too sugary, but
Alright.
I thought you could taste a little bit more of the yogurt versus the strawberries.
Okay, cool. Well, Sina's gonna let you know which ones you just tasted. I don't even know which ones. Oh, the baskets over there. I don't want to see the brands. So they're all the ones you could buy at the store. For the study, we used Yoplait, a store-bought brand, and we used Yo Crunch. So
Which one do you think was the Yoplait?
Middle one.
The second one.
Yeah.
I just had that one for breakfast.
I think that was the first one. That one, I might have been the third one.
Then what was the search? And then what's the first?
Yeah.
And normally this was closed.
Right.
yeah. All right. So I have a series of questions. I'm just going to go around the room and ask you guys. We're going to keep it brief. So, when were you first introduced to Yoplait yogurt?
Like how old?
Yeah.
Growing up on it, so I don't know, like second grade.
Okay. By who?
Oh, my parents.
Your parents?
Yeah.
All right. Daniel?
I had
No idea, but you had it. All right.
I've tasted yogurt before, but I hated yogurt as a child. So I didn't like really start eating yogurt until actually like I got to college and then I started liking it more, and then I would eat yogurt.
All right.
Yeah.
Probably, yeah, elementary school. Maybe like,
Do you know?
sorry, kindergarten, like my parents
Parents
and family, like 5 or 6 years old.
All right.
Yeah, same. I've been eating it forever. My parents always gave it to us, so.
Okay.
It's like about 5 since I started school.
And who introduced you to it?
Parents.
Okay.
Almost like younger. I remember like trying it, like eating it right before I started Wednesday.
All right. Cool. Cool. That's a good story. What's your favorite flavor of yogurt
Strawberry.
and what?
Because I love it. It's my favorite fruit.
Okay.
But once I had raspberry, it made me sick. No, I don't like that.
Okay. So you're gonna stay away
Yeah.
from that.
Yeah, it's always strawberry.
Strawberry, that's one of my old favorites. Strawberry.
All right.
Strawberry as well.
Strawberry as well.
Yeah.
And what?
It's my favorite fruit too. I just love strawberry. Yeah. Or
Alright.
strawberry banana. I love banana too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I actually like blackberry and cherry, but I'm not really having a particular preference. I like all the fruit different.
All right. Is there a reason why you like blackberry?
Yeah, I mean, I like them like naturally as fruit, so
All right. And how about you?
I prefer just plain yogurt.
Just plain yogurt. Is there a reason?
Less sugars and carbs, more just protein.
Okay.
Strawberry, probably just because it's very like fruity, like fruit taste.
All right.
I like the blueberry with the blueberry crunch sweet and acids, and I like key lime pie.
Yeah.
Key lime pie.
Yeah.
Yoplait has the
Alright,
best
I'll take
spelling.
Yoplait.
On average, how many times a week do you eat yogurt? And where do you typically consume it?
I have it out of probably 3 to 4 times in the morning, and where I consume it probably at my house or in class, because to go you can have like those little portables, so.
Yeah.
Or in my car, so between the house to school.
Nice. Danny?
It's been a while, but I think only once or twice a month, and at my house.
All right.
Yeah, I'm the same with him too. I used to eat it all the time, but I don't really eat it that often anymore. So probably like a couple times throughout the month I'll eat it.
Okay.
I usually have a couple times a week, and I use it at home. I usually have just Greek yogurt at home now.
All right.
Versus the flavor.
How about yourself?
I usually eat it like 5 times a week, usually before I go exercise.
All right.
I haven't tried any since I was like 10, I think. Since like my mom like packed me my food, like.
Oh.
Yeah, I haven't really tried it since.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, I'll say 4 or 5 times a month, because usually I have it usually like a smoothie, like with lemon juice.
Okay. Okay. How do you like to eat your yogurt? Do you like add stuff to it? Do you like to eat it?
Yeah, the little granola bars, I like to use that as a spoon,
Oh.
because there's like granola
That
in
sounds
it.
awesome.
So, yeah, I like to have little granola bars.
All right.
Just like that, I have like not ones and
Okay.
I love eating strawberry yogurt and then putting like granola in it and then cut up bananas and put that in there as well. That's my favorite.
Interesting.
Yeah, I use that at home with the Greek yogurt. I'll put any fresh fruit I have, strawberries or blueberries, and granola in.
Sure.
Yeah, same. Fresh fruit and granola.
Cool.
If it's frozen, I like to put a lot of stuff, like gummy bears, cheesecake bites, some M&Ms, so I like to put like a lot of stuff in there.
I'll just do like the fish oil in there. I'll do the granola, and I'll give them fresh fruits.
Right. That sounds delicious.
Delicious.
Why do you consume yogurt?
Because I'm not very big on dairy, like milk and all that, so this is the way I get my dairy.
Alright.
It's convenient. It's an easy breakfast to just whip up real quick when you're running late or just in general.
Cool.
Yeah, it's good for you and it's easy, it tastes good.
Yeah, same, it's good for you and it tastes good.
It tastes good and it's very like smooth too.
Yeah.
So
Right.
it's
Pretty much what everyone else says, but it's also like a alternative. If you don't want to have like a regular snack, so we just grab that for this on the go.
Okay, that's good. What product features do you guys look for in yogurt? Let me start on this side.
Yeah.
I would say low in fat. Also, if I look in the back, make sure there's no corn fructose or anything like that. Some of the ones that are high in sugar, they'll add that. I'm trying to watch out for that.
Okay.
to be honest, probably just the flavor.
What characteristics or features do you look for in yogurt?
Low fat and carbs and calories.
Alright.
Yeah, I usually go for 0 fat and like really sugar.
Yeah, I'm the same, like sugar, because I don't like the sugar in the yogurt because it makes me get a headache.
That's reasonable.
Yeah, flavor.
Flavor.
What kind of milk, soy, or regular milk?
Alright. How does Yoplait yogurt compare to that? Start with you.
How does your favorite?
Yoplait yogurt compared to what you like? Like what you want in the product?
I'm sorry, not somebody go back.
What was it?
How does Yoplait yogurt compare to the one that you guys like? I remember the one in the middle was Yoplait.
I mean, it doesn't really compare. I mean, you look at it just by brand name. You know, it's basically same ingredients, maybe 1 or 2 different preservatives, but it's just the brand name is different.
I felt like it was just the perfect blend of the two.
Blend of the
The first one and the third one, like it wasn't too sweet, but it wasn't like too bland, which is like fine.
Alright, thanks.
Well, like I already said, I like Greek yogurt, and that's definitely very tart compared to all of these. So I tend to look for something with less sugar and less artificial tasting.
Alright.
Or I choose to eat Yoplait at home too sometimes, so I mean, I obviously use it because they do have a lot of like 0 fat options. If that
Awesome.
I'm like the same with her. Like I like more of a tart flavor, but I do like Yoplait. Like it's just very creamy, and I like how like they put like the real fruit chunks in it as well.
Okay. That's good. Like fruit chunks? Okay.
I like because it's light. It's like lighter than all these, and then you have those chunks that balance it out. You get the yogurt.
Alright. You like a little texture to it.
Yeah.
What other brands of yogurt have you tried?
Probably just Yoplait I can really remember. I mean, there's like the Safeway brand that I've had, and like the Animals and the Go-Gurts, but probably the Yoplait and the Greek. But the Yoplait's one that we have at home.
Okay.
It's basically the same thing.
Like the
little kid one and the Yoplait.
Okay.
I've tried the Greek yogurt too. I really like the Greek yogurt. I've tried Animals like when I was a kid, but I didn't like it.
Alright.
Yeah, same. Whenever we do have yogurt at home, my mom always likes the Yoplait. That's what we have. But if I had Greek yogurt, I would get Chobani. Trader Joe's.
Yeah, all the ones that people have said, plus Chobani and I don't know how it's really pronounced, but the Phage.
Okay.
Chobani, I don't know.
I saw that one.
Go-Gurt, that was about it, and then the Animals.
The Animals.
Yeah, what I remember about Go-Gurt.
Okay. Have you recently been exposed to any Yoplait yogurt brand or advertisements or marketing schemes?
Not that I can remember not in a while.
Okay.
Just commercial.
Oh, yeah, it's like the breast cancer one, like you open up the lid.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
Commercial on TV.
Do you remember any specific ones?
Not one.
Alright.
What was the
Have you been exposed to any advertisements from Yoplait?
I don't really watch TV, so
No.
I've seen Greek yogurt ones though, not Yoplait.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like I've seen, there's a lot of Yoplait commercials on TV. I don't remember like the specifics,
Yeah.
but I see it all the time.
Alright.
I see them, but I don't pay attention really.
You know, it's just ones. Alright.
Yoplait just seems very like peaceful, like the commercials, like there's always like a soothing sound in the background and it's in slow motion and there's white colors and the girl looks fit. And then Go-Gurts is always like children and stuff like that, like, so that's why.
Okay.
I don't really notice it unless this is an advertisement on here for it.
No, it's not. Do you guys have any suggestions for Yoplait to make their yogurt better?
Not that I can think of, I like it, I've grown up on it, I trust it, so
Okay.
I think it's good.
Alright. Alright. Good enough.
I
Has-
think overall they're a good brand. I think that they're do what they need to do.
Okay.
I agree.
I think I should do a Super Bowl ad.
So nothing like more flavors, variety, like.
They have a bunch
They
of
have a
flavors.
Greek option.
Yeah.
If they would make a Greek option, then that would be, I think, since that's becoming really popular right now, especially with like fitness and health, that if they had a Greek option, that would probably be good.
They do.
They do?
They do. I eat it every morning.
Really?
Yeah,
Do you recommend it
I do. I do recommend
based on
it.
other brands of Greek?
Yeah, I tried Oikos. I've had
Is it
Chobani,
zero
all of they, you know, it's a little more thick, I would say.
It's not as sour.
The food at the bottom, I don't like it in the Yoplait one because it's like, it seems more
It's
syrupy.
like preserved, yeah, I like the
Yeah.
preserved fruit in them.
Yeah, but like in the Chobani ones, you can actually tell some real fruit. You can see like the strawberry seeds still on that and stuff like that. So that was my experience with it. That finishes the round of questions. We have these exit surveys that we are going to have you take, but we ran out. I think we have two over here.
Okay, it's not the best copy. Maybe you could.
I'll read off the questions one by one too.
What's the name of the question?
And
I just made a copy, but.
you got some
But-
That's okay.
I need to run with it.
And on the next
So you want to just take the survey real quick for us?
Yeah, well, I got it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I guess are you prepared? Yeah. Okay. So question
Can
one.
I have a utensil right over here?
Yeah. Gotcha.
Jenny is not prepared.
Nice.
But I can catch.
All right.
How would you rate those?
So first question is, what is your gender? It's pretty self-explanatory. Second question is, how would you rate your overall health? 1 means unhealthy, 9 means healthy. You could circle something on there. On average, how much? Number 3 is, on average, how much do you pay for a single serving of yogurt? Fourth question is, what is your weekly estimated household expenditure on groceries? A is 0 to 50, B is $51 to $100, C is 101 to 150, D is 151 to 200, D is 200 plus.
And it would be nice if you can write a name down, because we have to make like the
Transfer.
interview which will transfer.
If I was, what is your age?
Like to write another name. Like you want.
We won't share your names with anybody. It's confidential. So it's a professor. And if you guys are interested in seeing the results of our experiment and project, just write down your email and we'll be more than happy to send it to you.
That's cool that you guys do that.
Yeah.
Your results.
All right, thank you guys.
Okay.
Wish I had some consolation gifts.
Your pants are really
Thank
pretty.
you.
Alright.
I'll see you Saturday.
I told you like this one. I got some
That's
really
like
great.
I'll see you Saturday.
I'm sorry, I have them.
Oh, cool.
No,
You guys get, she
Yeah.
tested guys got.
Right.
We'll see Saturday.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
Thank you again.
Bye, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Take it easy. And yes, ma'am.